Alright guys, welcome to 1.12 solving with models day 1. On Monday you guys will have day 2, and you guys are planning to test on Thursday, if not Friday. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so we will be solving some word problems with some models, and we'll see how it goes. Number 1, LA Fitness charges $35 a month and a one-time membership fee of $50. Complete the table to help develop the relationship between the numbers of months and the total amount paid. Alright, so let's go ahead, let's highlight some important stuff. This is $35. It's pretty important, and I also know that it's gonna be $50 over here. So one-time fee of $50, $35, let's be clear, $35 a month. So if I were to calculate, or make an equation to calculate this, I would write it as, let's do P is going to be equal to our price. The price is calculated by, let's see, we had that $50. That's a one-time fee. That's a given. So you always have to put in that $50 regardless of how many months you go. You always pay that $50 for that one-time fee. Now each month costs me $35. So I'm going to put 35. And then it's 35 each month. So I'm going to do 35. Let's do M. M for months, right? So I have the price is equal to $35 times the number of months I go plus the $50 one-time fee. I think this equation is going to represent the entire scenario. And M is going to represent months. Alright, so let's go through the table and let's see if we can kind of make sense of it. Alright, number of months at the gym, 0. So if I were to not even go to gym, in the very beginning, before I even go to gym, at 0 months, I need to pay, for 0 months, I need to pay this amount, which is 35 times 0 plus 50. 35 times 0 is 0, plus 50 is just $50. So in the very beginning, I pay $50. Alright, 1 month in. So if I'm paying for 1 month, the price is equal to 35 times 1 plus 50, and that gives me $85. So if I'm going to the gym 1 month, after I've started, I paid a total of $85. That's the first time, one-time fee of $50 plus 1 month of $35, which gives me $85. So it looks like this equation works. It makes sense. Alright, so now let's calculate the price of 2 months. P is equal to 35 times 2 plus 50. 35 times 2 is 70. 70 plus 2 is 120. Alright, the price at 3 months is equal to 35 times 3 plus 50. This is 105 using a calculator that works in my head. Plus 50 is 155. So in here at 5 months, notice how it doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes the number down here skips. So at 5 months, I'm paying, let's see how much. 35 times 5, oh man, that's a lot of math. 70, 175. 175 plus 50, that's gonna give me 125. 225. So if I go for 5 months, I'm paying a total of $225. A student paid a total of $225 for their gym membership. Determine the number of classes the student took. So we can look back at the table. We can look back at the table like, oh look, you paid $225. That means going backwards. This is for how many months? Number of months at the gym. This is for 5. So the student paid for 5 months. And that's it. But however, if the answer is not on the table, I would have to calculate it. So let's say my price was $225. I would do 225 is equal to 35 times M plus 50. So this is, if I'd never had that table, how would I solve this? Here's how I would set it up. The price is $225, $35 each month. The month, that's what I'm trying to find, so I'll leave as M as the variable, and the one-time $50 fee. So subtract 50, and I get 175 is equal to 35m. Divide both sides by 35. And m, running out of space, m is equal to 5 months. Which is the same answer that I got up here. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's try number 2. Ask the we do, please.